If you're looking for a legitimate way to earn up to $7,500 per month to have in your pocket or to fund your online business or ministry, this video is for you. So don't go nowhere. Hi, I'm Tamira Wilson, and if this is your first time on my channel, I talk about faith, all things relating to business, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle. And in today's video, I'm so excited to share with you a website that I just came across that allows you to legitimately earn up to $7,500 per month. Yes. What? Seriously? Where have you been all my life? But no, seriously, $7,500 per month. Okay. But before I tell you about this website, y'all better hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. And if you're on YouTube, hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any new videos that I release. Now, we can all use a little extra money for business tools because we always need business tools and softwares, right, to run our business and to grow our business. How would you like to have an extra $7,500 per month for your business, for your ministry, or just to pay off some bills? Can I get an amen? All right, so let me share with you some of the benefits first of this website that I'm going to tell you about. Now, we can all use some extra money to fund our business because we're always needing different technology, tools, and softwares, right, to grow our business and our ministry. But even just having some extra funds around for emergencies would be awesome, right? One of the key benefits of this website that I'm going to share with you today is that you can work remotely, which means you can work anywhere. You could be on a beach, right? You could be on a beach with your feet kicked off or in an ocean somewhere or in the sand. You can work anywhere at any time from this website. Now, in the past, when I used to look for remote jobs, one of the things I would always find was that some of those jobs were just restricted to the United States. But this particular site is available worldwide. So that means you can be anywhere in the world, live anywhere in the world, and use this website. So you ready to hear what this website is? It's called Study Pool. Study Pool. And it's a website that allows you to earn income while being a tutor. Now, I know when you think of that term tutor that you're probably thinking of, a full-fledged tutor that you spend hours with. But I'm not talking about that kind of tutor. This is like a micro tutor where you're just basically answering questions that arise from the students. Now, these students could be college students, they could be kids, they could be anyone that's having problems that they need some guidance to, and you are there to help answer the questions. And it's on a variety of different topics. So let me share my screen so we can go on over and I can give you a sneak peek of this awesome website. All right, so here is this website. Here it is. It's called Study Pool. Now look, here are all of the categories that you can provide your services as a tutor. So under the business, you can provide answers in accounting, advertising, biotechnology, broadcasting, business law, business plans, communications, entrepreneurship. I mean, look, they have everything. I could do PowerPoint. I'm tooting my own horn here because I've spent a lot of time investing in me, investing in my personal development, personal and professional development. So I have acquired a lot of skill sets that I can teach. I can do advertising. I can do broadcasting because, some of you know that I've had a podcast show. I was the host of my own TV show that's on Amazon. I could do broadcasting, I could do business, I could do communication because I have my major in college was communication with a double minor in psychology and counseling. I can do entrepreneurship because that's all I do, but kingdom entrepreneurship or entrepreneurship. Facebook marketing, I know how to do that. Internet marketing, I know how to do that. Marketing, I know how to do that. PowerPoint, like I said. Real estate, I did that. And I've learned so much knowledge in the real estate industry being a real estate agent, right? I know commercial real estate, leasing, buyer and seller, all that. I know all that. So I'm just giving you a tour. You can do tourism. You know, have any industry knowledge in the travel industry, which I have that too. So the other category is humanities. You can do African studies, American studies, animation. I know animation. You do art. Look at all these. Dance. I do spiritual dance. Well, I dance to any kind of music, pretty much every kind of music. You can do dance, design, education, teaching, ethnic studies, fashion, film. I was in the film industry as an actor and behind the scenes as a makeup and special effects makeup artist. I mean, just look at all these. Literature, music, religion, psychology. I could do psychology. Theater. I mean, I was an actor in theater as well as in film. There's so much you can do. And under mathematics, if you were good in math, which I hated math, I was horrible in math. Horrible. You can tutor someone in algebra, applied mathematics, arithmetic, calculus, all that. Programming. All these web developers, which, hello. Web design, I did that because I am a web developer. WordPress, that is my thing. I love WordPress. Pinterest, I like Pinterest, but I don't know if I want to teach on it. So you see, there are so many things you can do here. Isn't this crazy? Is this crazy or what? Now look guys, like I said, I just found out about this site. Now, as you can see, some of the benefits, like I was explaining to you, is the flexibility. You can work when and where you want to. You can be on the beach if you want to, whether you're a college student or working full-time at a job. I mean, you can literally get off your job or finish going to your college classes and hop online and start answering some questions. The other benefit is that it's reliable income. You get paid just for answering questions that you want to answer that's on the screen, unlike other sites where the students actually have to come and join your class and you actually have to do a full class to teach them. Another benefit is that it's repeat business. As with any business, if you create value, you will get paid. The same applies to this. If you give great answers that can help the students excel and pass their grades with a good grade, they will come back to you again and again and again. And that's more money and more money and more money for you. Anyone can do this. Look, the only requirements is that you have to be 18 years of age, and even people under 18 can do this as long as they have parental permission. And they do need that. But all you need to do is just leverage the skills that you already have. If you learn something, you can teach somebody something. Because look, there is someone that always has more knowledge than us. And if you've been living for a while, you have experienced something. You have acquired some skill set while you've been here on this earth living, right? And like I said, anybody can do this. You can, even an elderly can do this to supplement their income. Professionals can do this. Anyone can do this. Another benefit is that you don't have to find work. Literally, you just log into the system and find the answer that you're interested in and just submit a quote on how much you want to get paid for answering that question, right? You don't have to chase down students. That's another benefit. You don't got to chase down students with invoices telling them, hey, you need to pay me because I answered that question. No, the system takes care of all that for you. And for the doubting Thomas out there that thinks that this can't be done, I'm going to see if I can show you. I don't know if I can show you on this screen because I'm logged in. But if you play around on this site, you will see like some of the top earners. Let me see if I can find any. I don't think I can. Oh, you know what? Did I show you the science? There's science too. You can teach biology, ecology, genetics, and writing. If any of you guys like writing, did I already go over that? I can't remember. But anyway, you can do mathematics, nursing, philosophy, proofreading, editing, blog posts, creative writing, law, email copy. Oh my goodness. Proofreading. There's just so much you can do. Guys, come on now. Come on here. Let me see if I can find. I can't find the top earners. I was able to do it when I wasn't logged in, but I'm logged into my account. So I just signed up for this because I just heard about it, and I'm just going to see how it works. So hey, just play around with it. Play around with it, and play around with it yourself and see if it works for you. Again, look guys, I'm just trying to help you all. So I hope that this has helped you. And if you sign up for your account and go through the application process, I'm sure it will help you out. If you apply yourself, you have to apply yourself. The sad thing is when I'm doing these videos, there are going to be probably only, I don't know, a very small percentage of people watching this video that will take action and do something. The rest won't do anything at all. But for those of you who want to earn some extra money to help grow your business or your ministry online, go check out this website, Study Pool, and let me know how it works. Or just play around with it and see for yourself. All right, it won't hurt to try. So thank you guys for watching. If you got value out of this, if this has helped you, please give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any other videos that I release. All right, so until next time, stay blessed. Until next time, see you then.